Good morning, all you queens of the world. Let's get our little refresher on, okay? For the classy and the always classy fall. Let's get that hair refreshed. First with the little hair. Make it a big hair. We want to get some moisture. Mix your own leave-in moisturizer. And we want to be as efficient as we can be. Beautiful as we want to be. Queens for a day, queens for a lifetime. Let's do it. 1, 2, 3. No matter what color your hair is, let's just do this. Curly hair, wavy hair, straight hair. We all can use a little oomph in the morning. So let's do it. Okay, let's clear that hair out. You don't always need a comb or a brush. We're just going to freshen it up, okay? Freshen up that hair. Okay, this is what we want to do this morning. Boom, boom, boom. Be beautiful. Beautiful always. All right? That's it for hair. Let's just leave that. Get those hands cleaned up a little bit. This is what we want to do. Okay, let's deal with this scarf. All you classy, beautiful people, we can do this scarf in so many different ways. Are we all born with class? We may not be, but guess what? We're all born queens. Queens for a lifetime. No matter which part of the world you're in, do yourself some justice. Be a queen. You can take a brooch. Go here with that. Okay, you have a big brooch, a small brooch. Bam. Queen for a lifetime. Okay, one way to wear that scarf. You can pull it tight, leave it loose, wear it that way. Here we go the other way. You can do anything you'd like to do with your life. Let's make it fun. Make it fun. Another way for that same scarf. I love it. Another way for that same scarf. Now, see if we can get this here. We're going to go this way. Over. 1, 2, 3, over. Same way with the brooch. Over, and we're going to bring it up underneath. Boom, boom, boom. And guess what? Look what we got. This is what we got. I love it. You can do so much with one piece of material. We're going to use this because it's one of my favorite colors. Royalty. This and a beautiful royal blue and a beautiful rusted brown. Absolute royalty. You can pull that whichever way you like. That's a beautiful way. I love it. Guess what? Keep it simple, but keep it royal. Okay, let's go here. And we're going to take this way, lead that way. And guess what? We're going to do some tucking here. We're going to tuck it up. Okay, we're going to just tuck it in. Take a big piece of scarf, have some fun with it. Look at that. Look at that. You can leave this end out. I don't mind that. To that side. But let's try tucking this one in. For those who want one on each side, huh? Let's go up in here. Tuck that in. You could tuck it and leave it whichever way you like. Tuck it in here. Boom, boom, boom. Look at that. Pull it down a little bit. Get that hair over there. Whether it keeps you warm or just have you looking fabulous. I love it. You see that? I love it. Now let's see if we can get one more. Get one more in there. Of course we can. I'm going to do this here. Take it up a little more. use this side, like this side better. Flex it. A little shorter. Tuck it in a little more. Guess what? Just a little one. Different kind, different way. That hair is perfect. Let's see if we can get the rest of our makeup in, okay? 1, 2, 3, boom, boom, boom. Rest of our makeup. Since we're going in the brown tones, let's keep it in the brown tones. Sometimes we don't need too much blusher. Earth tones, come on. Just a little. And for different complexions, guess what? That orange could still look like a little pink or fuchsia. This is what I have here. Little cream. Could be shadow or blusher. Put a little more if you need it. Mix your colors. Orange and pink can give you fuchsia. And this will give you a beautiful fuchsia. Not even fuchsia, this color right here. Not overdone. Nothing wrong with using your fingers. Use that blush to blush it in. You can use a little bit of this right here. Let's just take it right up there because we want to keep the color together. Okay? 1, 2, 3. For you who don't have a brush, no problem using your fingers. Just take it right into the eyes there. Grab your brush. Shadow brush. Go in a little more. I'm going to take it right into here. Boom. Okay? Still going. Are you with me still? Let's do this. Let's finish it. 1, 2, 3. Yep. Still going. Right in there. And I want it to continue here because if you want to match your hair color, take a little more of this. Boom, boom, boom. Just a little more. Okay? Just a little. Pick it up. Let's go back and just blend that in. Because we're trying to pick up the color of our scarf, whatever we're wearing here, right? Keep it royal. Don't forget, use your favorite brooch to do whatever you'd like to do. Put it here, you can put it there, anywhere. This is, yeah. Alright, get your mascara. 1, 2, 3. I love me a nice big brush. Those brows up there done. Pull out those lashes. Natural lashes, you have them. If not, add your lashes. 1, 2, 3, boom, boom, boom. Get a little bit on the bottom. Don't want to overdo it. Because what we're trying to do is bring out some color here. Color in our cheeks, color in our hair. Don't forget our lip gloss. I like to keep the same color, neutral, right? We're trying to bring out this color of the scarf. And here we go. 1, 2, 3. Take a little gloss. Do you have a color gloss you want to wear? I like more neutral colors. So we're going to blend in there. It's not overdone. There we go. That's for our lips. Okay? Guess what? Just for our lips. What you want to do? That's our lips. Now, with that same brush, where's our little brush? Contour brush. Everything's here. And we are going to do something quite interesting. Let's shade that nose. If you're not happy with that nose size, what we're going to do right now, boom. Take just the dark shading to the side, straight down. Okay, right there. You don't have to go any further down the nose. Go right there. Okay, right there. You start to see the difference. Narrow little nose. You can put whatever shape. Some people figure their nose too narrow. They want to make it a little bigger. Go in the corner. Bring it straight down. Straight down. Bringing it straight down. See? There we go. From the corner there. You can see the shading in the corners. Bring it down. You want to take a little highlighter. And we're going to do it this way. Same brush. Turn it over. Clean it off. just for that nose. A little bit. Highlight. Just a little bit. See that? Just a little bit. You don't need to go any further up. What you want to do, we're accentuating your nose. Trying to bring something out there. Guess what? Let's go in with a little bronzer. Okay? Just a little bit. You want to awaken that skin, that face in the morning, afternoon, and night. Just a little bit. Boom, boom, boom. And here we go. Guess what we want to do while we're at it? Got one nail polished. One nail polished. It's another nail. Okay. Who likes green? Who likes green nail polish? Today, it will amaze you. Green polish. We're going to see if we can get one nail in there. At least one, or two, or three. Okay, just a little bit on each one. Green. We'll finish them. We'll show you them later. Going to polish that. Dry. Put to dry. We're going to put this here with the others. Do a little something else on those. We have this already done. Okay. And let's see if we can get a brown, a darker color. Someone call them all kind of different names, but they're pointed nails. Let's see if we can get one of those done. At least start a bit. It's brown. This one is blue. It's like a teal color. Okay. Teal. Okay. Little teal color there. We're going to put that to dry. Right there. And this one, we're going to keep it beige. Nice beige. People like different square, different shapes of nails. So we have some squared, some pointed, some speckled, there'll be some plain. Okay, that's for a variety of people. We're all different in our own ways, and we don't have to like what anyone else likes. Just like the tying of our scarves, doing of our hair, the way we make our makeup, what skin color we are. We don't have to please anyone, but to be ourselves. Please ourselves. Okay, we got those nails out of the way. And we'll have them dried. Have the nails green. And we'll finish them. I will show you what they look like some way. Okay, so this green, all the colors. And there's the beige. Okay. And guess what? We got all our polishes there. We'll leave them here. We can see the colors we use, the blue. A little gold, we'll put on some. You'll see the different colors. The gray, we'll do another one in gray. And of course, the brown. This is a pretty brown as well. It's one brown to match what I'm wearing. All colors of the rainbow. I love this color. Nice earth tone. It's beautiful. See that? Beautiful brown. Oops! It's okay. I'll just leave that there. That dropped. It's fine. Now, back to that hair. Back to that hair. Makeup. Totally fabulous. Beautiful scarf. Couldn't be any better. Let's switch that scarf around. It's like, hello. Totally fabulous. Fabulous hair. Fabulous makeup. Fabulous skin. You only live once, ladies. Be good to yourself. Be true to yourself. Don't ever shortchange yourself in any way. No matter what time of the day, you have to get up early, go to bed late, wake up looking beautiful. Always beautiful, fabulous. Okay? You just take care of yourself. Be beautiful to yourself. This is wonderful. I love it. All the colors. If I could, I would wear a brooch each time with everything. Let's see if I can get that on. It is beautiful. Just beautiful. Look at that. Look at this. That right there. Isn't that beautiful? Absolutely beautiful. Hair done. Just fantastic. Any way you want, refreshed. Use whichever moisturizer you like. But mix up some moisturizer in that hair and bring that dead hair to